calling about a room.
Hello?
Hi, is this Tom?
Yes, it is. Who's calling?
My name is Emily. I'm calling about the room for rent.
Oh, great. Thanks for calling.
Is the room still available?
Yes, it is. We still have it.
That's wonderful. Can you tell me a bit about it?
Sure. It's a large double bedroom with a big window.
Does it have its own bathroom?
No, you share the bathroom with one other person.
Okay, that's fine. How much is the rent?
It's £600 a month.
Does that include the bills?
Yes, all bills are included in the price.
Is there a deposit?
Yes, the deposit is 1 month's rent.
I see. Is the room furnished?
Yes, it has a bed, a wardrobe, and a desk.
Perfect. I need a desk for my work.
That's great. Do you want to come and see it?
Yes, I'd love to. When is a good time?
Are you free tomorrow evening?
Yes, I am. Is 6 o'clock okay?
6 o'clock is perfect.
Great. Can you text me the address?
Yes, I'll send it to you right now.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
You're welcome. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Viewing the apartment.
Welcome to the apartment, Sophia.
Thank you, Jack. It looks very nice.
Yes, it is very bright and clean.
I like the big windows in the living room.
They let in a lot of natural light.
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Yes, there's a stove, an oven, and a fridge.
Is there a washing machine?
Yes, it is here under the counter.
Oh, that's very convenient.
Let's look at the bedroom now.
It's a good size. Is there heating?
Yes, there's central heating in every room.
How do I control the temperature?
There's a thermostat on the wall over there.
I see it. Is the neighborhood quiet?
Yes, the street is very peaceful, especially at night.
Are pets allowed in the building?
No. Sorry, the building has a no pets policy.
That's fine. I don't have any pets.
Great. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Is there a parking space?
No, but you can park on the street with a permit.
Okay. Is the internet fast here?
Yes, the building has fiber optic broadband.
That's really important for my work.
I agree. It's very reliable.
I really like this place.
Excellent. I can give you the application form.
Yes, please. I want to apply today.
Discussing bills and house rules.
Hi, Maya. Thanks for meeting me today.
Hi, Lucas. Glad we could talk about the flat.
Me too. We need to plan our budget.
Yes. How do we split the bills?
We should split the internet and electricity 50-50.
That sounds fair. How much is the electricity usually?
It's about £60 a month.
Okay, so that's £30 each.
Yes, that's correct. And water is included in the rent.
That's great news. What about cleaning?
We can make a cleaning rota.
Good idea. I like to keep the kitchen very clean.
Me too. I can clean the bathroom on weekends.
Perfect. And I'll vacuum the living room.
That sounds like a good plan.
What about guests? Can we have friends over?
Yes, of course, but we should ask first.
I agree. No loud parties on weekdays.
Definitely. I have to wake up early for work.
Me too. I leave the house at 8.
Do you cook a lot?
Yes, I usually cook dinner every night.
That's fine. We can share some spices and oil.
Sure, that makes shopping easier.
Do you have any other rules?
Just respect each other's quiet time.
Absolutely. I think we will be great flatmates.
I think so too. Let's sign the contract.
Talking to an agent.
Good morning, Clara. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking for a flat to rent.
Excellent. What area are you interested in?
I want to live near the city center, if possible.
Okay. The city center is very popular.
Yes, I want to walk to my office.
That makes sense. What is your monthly budget?
My maximum budget is $1,200.
And how many bedrooms do you need?
I just need a one-bedroom flat.
Do you need a furnished place?
Yes, I prefer a fully furnished flat.
All right. I have two options in that price range.
Are they close to public transport?
Yes, both are near a subway station.
That is perfect. Do they have a balcony?
One of them has a small balcony.
I really want outdoor space.
Let's look at that one first, then.
When can we view it?
I can show it to you this afternoon.
That would be amazing. What time?
Is 2 o'clock okay for you?
Yes, 2 o'clock is perfect.
Great. I'll print the details for you now.
Thank you. Is the area safe?
Yes, it is a very safe and friendly neighborhood.
That is very reassuring to hear.
Here are the details. I'll see you there.
Thank you, David. See you later.
Signing the lease.
Hello, Chloe. Thanks for coming.
Hi, Mr. Green. I'm excited to sign the lease.
Great. Let's read the main points first.
Yes, that's a good idea.
The lease is for 12 months.
Can I renew it after a year?
Yes, we can talk about that next year.
Perfect. When is the rent due?
Rent is due on the first day of every month.
How should I pay it?
You can pay by bank transfer.
That is very easy. I will set up a monthly transfer.
Great. Now, what about the deposit?
I already sent the deposit yesterday.
Yes, I received it. Thank you.
Are there any specific rules in the building?
Yes, no smoking inside the flat.
That's fine. I don't smoke.
Also, quiet hours are from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m.
No problem. I like a quiet environment.
If something breaks, call me immediately.
Okay, I have your phone number.
Excellent. Please sign here at the bottom.
Let me just write my signature here.
And one more signature on this page.
Done. Here are the papers.
Perfect. Here are your keys to the flat.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
Congratulations. I hope you enjoy your new home.
Thank you, Mr. Green. Have a great day.
Moving day.
Thanks for helping me move today, Leo.
No problem, Sam. What are friends for?
I really appreciate it. This sofa is heavy.
Yes, it is. Where does it go?
Let's put it next to the window.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, lift.
Perfect. That looks great there.
What's next? The big brown box?
Yes, that box goes in the kitchen.
What is inside it?
It's full of plates and glasses.
Okay, I will be very careful with it.
Thank you. The blue box goes in the bedroom.
Is that box light?
Yes, it only has clothes inside.
Good. My back hurts a little bit.
We can take a break after this.
That sounds like a plan. I'm thirsty.
I have some cold water in the fridge.
Is the fridge working?
Yes, the landlord turned it on yesterday.
Awesome. Let's carry this table now.
Where should we put it?
In the corner of the dining room.
Yes, that is a perfect spot.
Excellent. That's the last big piece of furniture.
You are a lifesaver, Leo.
Happy to help. Let's get that water now.
Yes, and then I'll buy us lunch.
Pizza sounds perfect.
Great. Let's order it now.
A leaking pipe.
Hello, Mr. Harris. This is Olivia from Flat 4B.
Oh, hello, Olivia. Is everything okay?
Actually, I have a small problem in the kitchen.
What's wrong?
The pipe under the sink is leaking.
Oh dear. Is it leaking a lot?
Yes, there's water on the floor.
Did you put a bucket under it?
Yes, I did, but it fills up quickly.
Okay. We need to fix that soon.
Yes, I'm worried about the wooden floor.
Don't worry. I'll call a plumber right now.
Thank you. Can they come today?
I will ask him. Are you at home?
Yes, I'm working from home today.
Perfect. That makes it easier.
What should I do until he arrives?
Turn off the main water valve if you can.
Where is the valve?
It is usually behind the toilet.
Okay, I see it. I will turn it off now.
Great. That will stop the leak for now.
Will the plumber charge me for this?
No, of course not. I pay for repairs.
Thank you, Mr. Harris.
No problem. I'll text you when he is on his way.
Excellent. I'll wait for your text.
Talk to you soon, Olivia.
Thanks again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Meeting the neighbor.
Hello, excuse me. Are you my neighbor?
Hi. Yes, I live in flat 5A. I'm Grace.
Nice to meet you, Grace. I'm Daniel. I just moved in.
Welcome to the building, Daniel.
Thank you. It seems like a very nice place.
It is. The people here are very friendly.
Can I ask you a few questions about the area?
Of course. I've lived here for 3 years.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
There is a big one just 2 blocks away.
Oh, that's very close. Is it expensive?
No, it is quite cheap and has everything.
Perfect. What about the trash? When is it collected?
Trash day is Tuesday morning.
Do we need to separate the recycling?
Yes, plastic and paper go in the blue bins.
Okay, where are the blue bins?
They are in the backyard, near the gate.
Great, thank you. And is there a good cafe nearby?
Yes, the coffee shop on the corner is excellent.
I love good coffee. I will try it tomorrow.
You should. They also have great cakes.
Sounds amazing. Is the bus station far?
No, it's a 5-minute walk down this street.
Excellent. That's very convenient for work.
Yes, this location is great for transport.
Well, thank you so much for your help, Grace.
No problem at all. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You too, Daniel. Bye.
Final inspection.
Hello, Lily. Ready for the inspection?
Yes, James, I cleaned everything yesterday.
Great. Let's check the kitchen first.
The oven is clean, and the fridge is empty.
Yes, looks very clean. Good job.
I also washed the windows.
I can see that. They look great.
Let's check the walls in the living room.
There are no marks on the paint.
No, I was very careful with my furniture.
Excellent. What about the bathroom?
Everything is clean there too. No leaks.
Let me turn on the tap. Yes, works fine.
Is there anything else you need to check?
Let's look at the bedroom carpet.
I vacuumed it twice. There are no stains.
You're right. It looks like new.
Great. Will I get my full deposit back?
Yes. Everything is in perfect condition.
That's a relief. Thank you.
When did you send your bank details?
I emailed them to you this morning.
Okay, I will transfer the money tomorrow.
Excellent. Thank you for being a great landlord.
You were a wonderful tenant, Lily.
Here are the keys to the flat.
Thank you. Do you have your new address?
Yes, I wrote it on this card for you.
Perfect. Good luck with your new place.
Thank you, James. Goodbye.
Buying secondhand furniture.
Hello, are you Anna?
Yes, I am. You must be Paul.
Yes, that's right. I'm here about the dining table.
Come in. It is right here in the living room.
Oh, it looks very nice.
Yes, it is solid wood. It is very sturdy.
Are there any scratches on the top?
Just a very small one here, but it's hard to see.
Oh, I see it. It is not too bad.
The chairs are also included in the price.
Yes, 4 chairs. Are they comfortable?
Try sitting on one.
Yes, this is very comfortable.
I'm only selling them because I'm moving.
I see. How much are you asking for the set?
I listed it for $150.
Would you take 120?
Mm-hmm. Can we do 130?
Okay, that is a fair price.
Great. We have a deal.
How can I pay you?
Cash is best if you have it.
Yes, I have cash with me.
Perfect. Do you have a big car to take them?
I have a van parked outside.
Excellent. My husband can help you carry them.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Let me get the cash receipt for you.
Great. Here's the money.
Thank you, Paul. Let's load them up.